How do I define schedules for my doctors? Once the doctor has accepted the invitation to be part of your clinic, they will now appear on the list of doctors within your clinic. Click on the doctor's name that you want to define a schedule for. Click Schedules, then click New Schedule. Select Days of Availability. Specify the start time and end time. Select the time zone. Select the duration of time slot per appointment. Select cut-off time. Click Save. Upon clicking Save, you will see a notification on the upper right corner of the page that you have successfully created a schedule of your clinic. And there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial video helpful and informative. Check out our other video guides in SeeYouDoc's social media accounts. If you have any questions, you may reach us through support@seeyoudoc.com.